What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. Xiaomi's Mi A2 has finally launched in India. I can see the void in the 15 to 20k range slowly filling up, and going forward you can see a lot of buzz in this segment. For Rs 17,000 it comes with a bunch of upgrades from its predecessor Mi A1 in terms of design, large display, camera and performance areas, and also goes closely head to head with Xiaomi's own Redmi Note 5 Pro. In this video, let's quickly get into the pros and cons of the Mi A2 and see if it is worth the hype, and if you can consider this over the other options. Watch this video till the end to know why I'm a bit disappointed. Before we talk about the pros and cons, let me unbox this and give you a 360 of the device. This is the 4GB 64GB variant gold color. Also comes in black, blue and pink. Xiaomi has committed a 128GB variant with 6GB RAM soon. Opening up the box, a small pack. Inside you get a manual and a soft TPU case. Along with it, a SIM eject pin and a Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. Yes, this phone lacks the headphone jack. Then comes the phone itself. Then the normal 5V 2A charger adapter and a Type-C cable. Okay, here is the Mi A2. Usual metal build and design language, and thankfully no notch. In-hand feel is good, lightweight. Here is a quick look at the technical specifications. Coming to the placements, nothing new. Top you have the hidden sensors, front camera, earpiece, front flash and the single color notification LED, followed by the 5.99-inch display. Navigation keys are on screen. To the right you have the volume rocker and power button. Left the SIM tray, which can take 2 nano SIMs. No expansion option. A bummer for sure given its price. You can use 2 Geo SIMs and VoLTE is supported on both. And if you ask me, yes, the inbuilt dialer has the video calling option. Bottom speaker grill, primary mic and the Type-C charging port. As said, forget the 3.5mm slot on this device, it's no longer there. Top secondary mic and the IR blaster. Back the dual camera setup, LED flash and the fingerprint sensor. That's about the physical overview. Now let's talk about the good things first. Top on my list is the cameras. Well, should I say Sony sensor all over it. Back you get a 12 plus 20 megapixel shooter, and front a 20 megapixel shooter with flash. Personally, I'm impressed. The AI powered cameras do an excellent job in capturing the best shots even in low light. I was quite surprised. Video recording can go up to 4K. However, since it has EIS, 1080p footage is more stable and smooth. Portrait mode is available for both rear and front cameras, and both did a fantastic job. I have done a separate video on camera performance. We'll leave a card, don't miss it. Hope software update improves the camera instead of messing it up. Here are a few samples just for a quick glance. Guys, currently recording this using the front facing camera of the Mi A2 and the audio is also through that. So you get a pretty good idea. It's early morning. Next on my list is the software and performance. The device is powered by Snapdragon 660 bundled with 4GB RAM and Adreno 512 GPU, the powerful octa-core chip which performs pretty good. Driven with stock Android, you can expect a smooth overall experience, be it multitasking or gaming. Here is the Antutu score. I don't have to go in depth regarding stock Android, as you guys know it's a clean plain version of Android which is fast. Xiaomi's own MIUI has its own plus with features, which this one lacks. However, if you love clean plain Android experience, this is the one for you. Not much bloatware except a few Xiaomi apps like Mi Drop, etc. Gaming was pretty good, tried some high-end games like Asphalt 9. Modern Combat 5. PUBG, and it handled it well. However, on prolonged gaming with PUBG, I experienced some warmness. Nothing major, overall good performance. Next up is the display. What you get here is a 5.99-inch 18:9 Full HD Plus IPS display. It's a large screen yet compact to hold. Good color reproduction and viewing angles indoor. To top it up, 2.5D Gorilla Glass 5 as per what Xiaomi claims. However, the display does have an issue which I'll cover in the negatives. Next up, sensors. As far as common sensors go, you get everything. There are two things missing which I will cover in the negatives, and you guys let me know if that matters to you. On the audio quality, it's loud enough, no issues on that.
It's not too late, we can be saved. I'm feeling more alive and I see hope on the horizon. It's not too.
Alright, now coming to the negatives. Let's start with the display. I feel the outdoor visibility is really poor. Even though the display works well indoors, brightness is an issue outdoors. Totally disappointed. Next up, no 3.5mm slot. Even though we can say we have to move forward, it's a big bummer at this point. You need to use the adapter that comes in the box or buy an expensive Type-C headphone. Next up, the battery capacity. What you get is a 3010 mAh battery, which is surprising given that Xiaomi is known for large battery in their devices. For 17,000, I expect a large battery. One thing to note is it has a large display as well. As far as battery backup is concerned, I couldn't stretch a full day with my kind of use, which includes calls, lot of social media, YouTube streaming for 1 to 2 hours, casual gaming, etc. Which was surprising. I had to top it up in between. You can stretch a full day only if you are a basic user. Heavy users, make sure to carry the charger with you. However, again, there is a catch. Though the device supports Quick Charge 4, there is no quick charger in the box. That's disappointing. You need to buy one separately, so charging using the one in the box takes approximately 1 hour and 50 minutes. Battery life is kinda disappointing for me at this point. I definitely want 2 days battery backup for what I pay. It's tough to change things now, but I hope they'll do something to improve it via software updates. Next, no microSD card support, so no expandable storage. In a mid-range phone for a storage-centric market like India, it sounds a bit strange, isn't it? So you have to live with 48GB free. Yes, that's what you get on first boot. At least a hybrid slot would have been better. Xiaomi, you can't do this. Next is the camera bump, which when you compare with the Redmi Note 5 Pro, might look similar but is bigger, making the device wobble a lot on a flat surface. A case might help, but still it's protruding a bit more, which is quite annoying. Next is it has no FM radio, no NFC. FM radio is still a basic thing that many use. You guys let me know in the comments if that is a needed one. Next is the software updates. Though commitment has been given to Android P, I hope they stick to it given how the previous version also had a lot of commitments. And finally, given the compromises, 17,000 pricing looks a bit steep. So, what do I think about the Mi A2? Well, this is not a device for everyone in my opinion, given the current competition and trend. If you love taking a lot of photos and want something in the mid-range, then this is the device you should look at as it has a very good camera. This phone is just for the camera lovers, but that doesn't justify its price given the options in the market now. There is nothing special about this device that pushes me to recommend it. It lacks the many basic things that you might need, and I find the Redmi Note 5 Pro more value for money. And with a little extra, the Honor Play seems to be an even sweeter deal with its specs. Xiaomi needs to rethink its strategy and always stick to its price less and give more formula to handle the heat in the mid-range segment. What do you guys think about this device? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below after watching this video fully, knowing its pros and cons I have said. So that's my take on the Mi A2. Like and share this video. You'll find the thumbs up button below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then. If you're watching TechShan for the very first time, I don't want you to miss my awesome tech videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button along with that bell icon